Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video. And today, it's not really that important of a video, but I'm telling you, I might make content with robbery stuff and all that. And you want to know what I'm getting? That's coming in between January 2nd and 7th. It's gonna be this. Yes. Yes. You got it right. A gun. Well, it's not really that much of a deal because it's 3D printed. It won't really. It's not real. As you can see, that orange cap. See that orange cap? That's not. That's when you know it's real. It's not real. So, bye.